Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, California Weather Watch. Today is April 15th, and right now we are looking at the infrared satellite imagery. See the state of California right here. Hawaiian Islands would be at the bottom left. You can see our ridge. It is incoming here. There goes our system that brought some precipitation yesterday here across some of the state and brought some gusty winds with it as well. And that's going to be now spawning some severe weather out across the plains. So taking a look here, we're going to be dealing with some warmer temperatures coming up here. You look at Wednesday and Thursday's forecast here. You see Bakersfield topping out around 84 here. You can see Merced 80, 82. You see Death Valley starting to approach 100 degrees here. And you see the desert's really starting to warm up as well. We'll be going over some of that in the weather models here in a moment. Take a look here, Sacramento, California. This was issued actually yesterday. So we're going to be really warming up from these temperatures that we had yesterday. You see Red Bluff and Redding 52 and 53. Sacramento 60 or so. And yeah, we're really going to be cranking up these temperatures here over the next few days. This is the high temperatures Wednesday. Check out the desert areas. Look at thermal 95 starting to warm up, except for the extreme coastline. You guys know how that goes. The marine layer hanging out for a while. But look at Anaheim 78, Riverside 81, San Bernardino 82 degrees. Big Bear Lake even getting up towards 66. And if we look out towards Arizona, look at Phoenix. By the time we get towards Thursday, we're going to be into the mid 90s here. Look at Imperial 96 and 95 Wednesday and Thursday, and Yuma warming up quite nicely also. So looking at Reno, Nevada here, starting to warm things up here as well. You can see some of these temperatures, Western Nevada getting up into the 70s as well. And yeah, the Sierra 50 to 60, and Northeast California getting up towards 75 degrees here. So definite warm up is going to be felt across much of the state. And if you want a nice affordable home weather station to record that temperature at your home, it kind of updates you when it starts raining or there's lightning strikes, and you can kind of see the little widget at the top of your phone tells you the thermometer or the temperature at your house at all times. I start to use that one more than I use my other weather stations now. And if you guys, I get a lot of questions about this, about the California Weather Watch store. You can see that down here. So if you want to go down below the actual video itself, this is a random video I just selected here, and you can kind of see where the shop is there. And on the smartphone, it is right below the comments there. So just to answer some of your guys' questions on that. Now, if we take a look at last night's European model run, you can see the system there that's kicking across Utah and out across the Four Corners region, spawning that severe weather off to the east. And then you see our ridge build here. A short wave moves through the Pacific Northwest. We keep some of this ridging going as we go through this week here and kind of hang on for a while. But as we go through the extended forecast, maybe we'll start to break that down eventually as we go towards the end of the month and bring another system in here. We'll see how this goes. Plenty of time to worry about that. In the meantime, we have some warm temperatures definitely incoming here for much of the Southwest. Now, looking at 850 millibars, this shows the transition that what we're dealing with yesterday. This is a one-day 850 millibar, about 5,000 feet temperature anomaly. So you can see how we were below normal here, but watch what happens as we scroll through the next few days here. And you can see that warm air aloft really starting to show up here, a sign of that ridging, and that's where we're going to warm up as we go through the end of this week. And now looking at composite reflectivity, you can see where all the showers are, mainly across Utah, Four Corners region, across Colorado there, but you can see we're really going to be drying out here over the next few days across California. No rain in sight for the next few days, no doubt. And this is the thunderstorm outlook. As you can see, has pushed off to the east. Looking out across the plains here, so anybody traveling, if you have friends or family out there, some strong tornadoes are possible, mainly across Kansas, up into Nebraska here, maybe a little bit further south if some storms can form along the dry line down here across Oklahoma and Texas as well. So heads up for that severe weather threat. It is that time of the year. Now, taking a look at 10-day precipitation anomaly, as you can see, we're going to be below normal precipitation here, definitely upcoming through the next couple, week and a half or so, I should say. And this is yesterday afternoon's European model run. Now, looking at the National Blend of Models, wider view of things here, daily 2-meter max temperature. This is for today. Check out tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. You guys get the gist here. We're going to definitely be warming up. Check it out. Getting into the lower 80s for Red Bluff and Redding, for example. Almost 30 degrees warmer than where we were for a lot of locations yesterday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And we may continue this off into the future as well. Now, taking a look at percent of average precipitation since the year has started, California doing quite well here. We still have no drought across the state as of right now. Some of the desert areas not doing too as well as some of Southern California, and some of the foothills there across the Sierra Nevada, maybe a little bit drier than normal for some locations. If we take a look into the water, you're started a little bit more of a mixed bag here. You can kind of see some places between 70 to 100% of normal precipitation, but still Southern California and some of the, maybe even Death Valley, looks like it's well above normal here in a lot of the coastal areas as well. But also the Colorado River Basin doing quite well. Lake Mead, 146% of the snow water equivalent there is, that's where we export a lot of the water back into Southern California, and it comes from the lower Colorado Basin there, and you can kind of see where that is and where that's exported to. But yeah, if you guys want to buy anything on that shop, go ahead and click on that down below there. You saw my example here where that should be, and you should be able to see it on your smartphone as well. But anyway, yeah, we'll continue to watch what may be coming in the future. We'll see if any other further systems are coming our way as we go through the month of April. We're definitely going to be warming up here over the next few days, as you guys saw. So hopefully you guys enjoy the change. Springtime weather and warmth is on its way. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day. We'll do this again tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then.